In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales receipt template in QuickBooks. A clear branded sales receipt makes a great impression and helps customers understand exactly what they paid for. We'll set up a reusable template so your receipts look polished every time. Start at the top right of QuickBooks and click the settings icon, the small gear. From the menu, select Custom Form Styles. This is your hub for all invoice, estimate, and receipt layouts. In the top right, choose New Style. Then pick Sales Receipt. That opens the editor where everything happens. You'll see 3 tabs across the top: Design, Content, and Email. Think of these as the look, the details, and the message. We'll walk through each so you can tailor the template to your brand. Begin with Design. Here, choose a layout style and bring in your branding. Add your logo, select your accent color, and pick a clean, readable font. Keep contrast strong so text stands out, and aim for a consistent, professional look that matches your other customer-facing documents. You can also update the form name to clearly show it's a sales receipt, which helps customers distinguish it from an invoice at a glance. As you make changes, watch the preview so you can see how your choices come together in real time. Next, move to the Content tab. This is where you control what information appears. The editor breaks the form into sections such as the header, the product and service table, and the footer. In the header, make sure your business details are accurate and decide which customer fields to display, like billing address or payment method. In the table, choose the columns that matter most: product or service, description, quantity, rate, amount, and tax, and arrange them so the totals are crystal clear. In the footer, add a short thank you message, any necessary notes, or a brief policy statement to reduce follow-up questions. Keep the wording concise and helpful. Finally, open the Email tab. Set your default subject line and message for when you email the sales receipt to customers. Keep the tone friendly and on-brand, and make it clear this is a confirmation of payment. You can include a brief note that highlights next steps or support contact details, but avoid adding any sensitive information to the email body. When you're happy with everything, click Done to save your new style. That's it. Your customized sales receipt template is now ready, and you can return to custom form styles anytime to make quick adjustments as your branding or preferences evolve.